Passive voice focuses on what happens to the object, not who does the action. When something important happens, we care more about what received the action than who performed it. The object becomes the main focus of the sentence. To create passive voice, take the object from the active sentence and make it the subject. Add a form of the verb be plus the past participle of the main verb. The doer of the action, called the agent, goes at the end after by and in parentheses if not important. In active voice, teacher explains lesson, the teacher does the action. In passive voice, lesson is explained by teacher, now the lesson receives the focus. Cat chases mouse becomes mouse is chased by cat. Notice how the object moves to the front and becomes the subject. First rule, use object plus form of be plus past participle. Second, the verb be must match the tense of the original active sentence. Third, the agent after by is optional when not important. Fourth, only transitive verbs that take objects can become passive. For present simple passive, use am, is, or are plus past participle. The book is written by an author means writing happens now or generally. Cars are manufactured in factories describes a regular process. I am invited to the party shows current situation. Present perfect passive uses have or has plus been plus past participle. The house has been cleaned means cleaning finished recently with present result. The project has been finished shows completion before now. Dinner has been cooked indicates preparation just done. Past simple passive uses was or were plus past participle. The letter was sent by John describes a completed past action. The windows were cleaned yesterday shows specific past time. The cake was baked by my mom tells what happened before now. Past perfect passive uses had been plus past participle for action completed before another past action. The report had been submitted before the deadline. The rooms had been cleaned when we arrived. The documents had been signed by the manager before the meeting.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.